concrete. And then it's got like cabinets on the bottom too. Then it has like two plates to put your food on. $3.99. Might take a picture. It's been hectic in that place. Brandon, are you enjoying the fireworks with your eyes closed?
Dream of the tool. He never forgot the tool. Wow. Yeah, it's definitely a drone. fireworks all around here. Yeah, there is. Who's it? He left. The kid was scared. You can walk in front of that. I don't give a shit. They're trying to beat Baltimore. Last time we went was SmackDown when you went with us, dude. Remember that dude had his wiener out on the sidewalk? What? It's like, welcome to Baltimore. Homeless guy's got his dick out on the sidewalk. Good times. What the fuck? These people are so corny. It's for America. Alright, just a little outro, nothing long. Hopefully you guys had a safe and enjoyable 4th of July. I know mine was. Spent it with family. I had a friend and his family come over. His little girl got scared, so they had to leave early. All in all, it was just a good time. Just sat here on the side of the house with the family and just enjoyed the show. We can see it perfectly from my house because the park where the fireworks are were closed. So, like every year, the parking lot beside us was full of people. So, you know, there was a lot of people here and a lot of people like parked by the road and out by the road, like kind of tailgating. So it was pretty cool. So hopefully everybody was safe and everybody enjoyed themselves. Hopefully I don't hear tomorrow about a bunch of body parts that got blown off. But I don't know, I just want to tell everybody to have a good 4th of July. Just have fun, have a good time, be safe, spend it with your family, your friends, cook out, do whatever. You know, get drunk, do whatever you want, smoke. It's 4th of July, man, celebrate. It's what it's all about, family, friends, and good times. Alright guys, well I'm off here for now. It's your boy The Curb. Hopefully y'all had a good 4th of July, and I'm out.